So, in pretty much every video I do, I talk about this in the context of talking about whatever subject I'm talking about. I talk about how big crypto is now and how big it will be. And I talk about the opportunity. I talk about the fact that, in my opinion, and I've kind of coined a phrase, that crypto is the last and final financial frontier. And in that, I want to talk to you about how big this opportunity is, because I know that some of you, and we're going to get into this here in a minute, show you some charts and stuff, and I'm going to show you some stats. I know that some of you struggle on a day-to-day basis, especially with a consolidating market, a market right now that, quite frankly, is a little bit illogical, not really deciding which way it should go. You might have a day like today, we're up 2.5%. Tomorrow, we're down in 1.5%. The assets are moving around, but really no with real clear direction. And times like this are hard. And sitting in the seat for the last 4 years, covering crypto every single day, I have a unique perspective for you. It doesn't make my perspective better. It doesn't mean that my opinion is better. This is just me trying to maybe show you some things that maybe gives you comfort and looking down the road at how big crypto is. So if that's interesting to you, stick around. I've also got a way here at the end of the video, going to show you how you can make even more money in crypto and really, really put some profits in your pocket. So got a lot of good stuff for you. So with that, let's jump into this. So right now, crypto is, as I said, up about 2% right now. It's because of the jobs report coming in on Wall Street, decent report, all that kind of stuff. But that's not the main point of this video. So like I said, I want to talk to you about how big crypto is. And I'm not going to list everything going on, but you guys who watch me, you know that I've talked about all of the pro crypto policy and legislative changes that are coming now with the new president, the new Senate, the new Congress, the new pro SEC with our buddy Gary Gensler, sarcastic in that regard, going away with a new pro crypto SEC chairman coming in, Paul Atkins. We've got the SEC crypto task force is being tasked with, trying to create clear regulatory framework. We've got the repeal of SAB 121, which was a law that was given to us by the Biden administration that was a knife in the gut of crypto, that said that banks and financial institutions, if they wanted to hold crypto or custodian crypto, that they had to hold it as a liability on their financial books, which kept them out of the business, all that kind of stuff. Then you also have US Bitcoin strategic reserve. Is Bitcoin being added in? All of this. This is a chart you're seeing showing the states that are enacting legislation for at the state level to bring Bitcoin on as a strategic reserve as well. You've also got right here ARK. If you don't know who ARK is, ARK Invest is one of the biggest and best traditional Wall Street houses. It's headed by Cathie Woods, arguably one of the smartest people on Wall Street. Yes, there are people who don't like her and all that kind of stuff, but projecting Bitcoin to hit a top of 1.5 million per Bitcoin by 2030. Okay. So all the pieces are there. And I'm going to show you some numbers here in a minute. At 1.5 million, how big the market cap would be for Bitcoin. I want to show you this, but I want you to understand. I always ask you this question, and this is a question you should live by. It's a question that when you're ever in doubt about your crypto and you're like, man, should I sell my XRP? Should I sell my Bitcoin? Ask yourself this one question. Do you believe that crypto is going to be bigger a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now? Yes or no? And I'm talking about this number right here. I'm talking about the market capitalization of crypto itself, which right now is a $3.270 trillion market. And Bitcoin makes up 60+% of that at 1.9 trillion. You can see actually Bitcoin dominance is 60.7. So 60% of the entire crypto market is Bitcoin. Okay. But the question, do you believe that crypto is going to be bigger a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now? ARK Invest says Bitcoin in 5 years will be worth 1.5 million. Cut it in half. Cut it by a third. It will be worth 500,000. Whatever. You get my point. It's still X. It's still, that's a 5X from here where Bitcoin is, the market. If you don't believe that crypto is going to be bigger 5 years from now, then I would challenge you, not in a bad way. I would challenge you, go, well, then why are you investing in crypto? Why are you here? Do you not believe in it? Because again, and I'm not saying that like you should leave. I'm saying that like maybe kind of evaluate what is it that you think crypto is or going to do, and you have mass adoption around the corner. Right now, about 5 to 6% of the global population invest in crypto, and that number is going to go north of 10+% probably by the end of the year. That's hundreds of millions more crypto investors coming in. And by the way, if Bitcoin is added into the U.S. Strategic Reserve, that will create, in my opinion, a gold rush for Bitcoin. Meaning, you have other governments, people, everywhere. People are going to be buying Bitcoin because they're going to be. It's going to be literally an arms race, right? To own as much Bitcoin because it's going to shoot the price. Well, what's going to happen to the rest of crypto? Well, Austin, does that mean that everything else is going to go up? Yes, everything else will go. Bitcoin will not do that in a vacuum. It will take every other crypto along with it. Ethereum, XRP, they will go up as a percentage as well, because it's how crypto works, because it will be the big green validation. Oh, this crypto thing is really real now. Oh my goodness gracious. But you're here early. Okay. So if you're ever really trying to identify or understand how big crypto is, maybe I've given you a few points you haven't thought of. And believe me, there are others out there. I'm not even really talking about the technology. I'm talking about the adoption of the crypto technology, real world assets, the tokenization of all financial assets out there, blockchain technology, becoming front and center. I mean, Elon Musk the other day talked about on Twitter about leveraging blockchain technology to put everything that the government does on a blockchain to make it transparent. Again, there are a lot of people in government who don't want that to happen, but you know what I'm talking about. But look, it's all there, but you just have to believe in it, and it's all there. And you also have to understand that there are times like now. There are good days and there are bad days. It is a financial market. Is there manipulation going on in crypto? Every day there is. I've talked about this in videos. Okay, it's nothing new. Okay, but okay, that's fine. You and I can't fight it, and it is what it is. But that doesn't mean that you can't be in it and make money as well. I mean, I want to show you these numbers. Look at this. This is. I promised I would show you this. Look at this. This is if Bitcoin were to hit 1.5 million right here. That's a target price. Bitcoin would have a market capitalization of 29 trillion market cap, almost 30 trillion. Well, Austin, that doesn't seem like it'll ever really happen. Sure, it could. It absolutely could. That's a 14x from where it's at. And to give you some perspective, like XRP, if XRP, see this is 14x right here. And if XRP were to rise as a percentage of just at percentage to percentage, that's a 14x, which I think XRP as an example will go up higher, more exponential, but that will put XRP's prices at $35 with a market cap of 2 trillion. It's not really that much in the context of where Bitcoin can go. And I think XRP's market cap will go up because it has more of a possibility of Xing, 20x, 30x, 40x, right? Because Bitcoin's already been there, done that. It's already X'd out and all that kind of stuff. I've talked about that in a bunch of videos, but you get my point. Okay. So before I let you go, if you're interested in making even more money, look, I have a piece of software. It's a trading indicator. It costs literally about $1 a day to use. This is it right here, giving you buy and sell alerts. This was XRP. After Trump got elected, that's a buy alert, sell alert, 30 days, 411%. $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $8,000. XLM, same time period, 20 days, bought here, sold here. This is the 6th of November, 529%. $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $10,000. As I said, the links in the description below. This offer costs about $1 a day with a discount code down. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. I have thousands of people using this, and every single day I have everything from teenagers to grandmas and grandpas using it. So I'm going to challenge you. Didn't you set a goal for yourself to make more money in 2025 with profits from crypto? I just showed you how this works. Right now, the market's consolidating. It's going sideways, but it's going to take off. It's going to blast off just like this. How would you like to know the perfect time to buy and then really the perfect time to sell? Most people don't know the perfect time to sell. They have no clue. This technology tells you when to buy and when to sell. And so what does that mean? You buy, sell, you lock in that profit. You put that profit in your pocket so that you can put money in your kid's college fund. You can buy a new house. You can move to a better place in town. You can buy a new car. You can save more money. Whatever your goals are, that's ultimately what it's about. You're here to make profits. You're here to make money with this. So why not take the blinders off and give yourself a competitive advantage most people don't have? Okay. And I'm asking about $1 a day for it. That's it. If you don't like it, get a refund. Try it. It's really free to try it, because if you don't like it, you get a refund. Well, Austin, I'm afraid of technology. I don't understand it. This is the thank you page. You're up and running in less than 20 minutes. Right here. Everything step by step. Everything's laid out here for you. And by the way, those alerts come in on your phone. The software does run on your phone, so you have instant access to it right there. Okay. The alerts can come in on your phone. That's the video right there. That one right there. This one that shows you how to set it all up. It's easy to do. Give it a look. If you're on X, the link's below this video. If you're here on YouTube, the link's in the description. X1 Algo, go give it a look. All right, I'll see you. Bye.